Every car you see on the road is the result of thousands of precise steps performed by both machines and humans. In this video, we'll take a calm, detailed look inside modern car factories and explain how a car is made from raw materials to a finished vehicle. Before any metal is cut, a car begins as a digital design. Engineers use computer-aided design software to plan the body shape, engine layout, safety systems, and aerodynamics. Prototypes are tested virtually for crashes, airflow, and durability long before physical production starts. Once the design is approved, the factory prepares for mass production. Car bodies start as large steel or aluminum sheets. These sheets are fed into massive stamping machines that use extreme pressure to shape doors, roofs, hoods, and side panels. Each press can apply thousands of tons of force, shaping metal in seconds with high precision. These parts are then inspected for accuracy before moving to the next stage. Stamped panels are transferred to the body shop, where robotic arms take over. Robots weld the panels together to form the car's frame, also called the body in white. Hundreds of welds are made on each vehicle, ensuring strength and structural safety. Human workers monitor the process and check alignment and weld quality. Before painting, the car body is cleaned and treated to prevent rust. It then enters a sealed paint booth where robots apply multiple layers: a corrosion-resistant coating, primer, color paint, a clear protective coat. Each layer is baked at high temperatures to ensure durability and a smooth finish. While the car is painted, the engine and transmission are built separately. Engines are assembled from hundreds of parts, including pistons, crankshafts, and valves. Once complete, engines are tested for performance and efficiency before installation. This is where the car truly comes together. The painted body meets the engine, suspension, wiring, dashboard, seats, glass, and wheels. This stage combines automation and human skill, especially for detailed interior work. Every component must fit perfectly, down to the smallest bolt. Before leaving the factory, each car undergoes strict inspections. These include brake tests, alignment checks, electronic system scans, and water leak tests. Some vehicles are even driven on test tracks to ensure proper performance. Only after passing all checks is the car approved for delivery. Finished cars are loaded onto trucks, trains, or ships and transported to dealerships around the world. From factory floor to showroom, this entire process can take weeks or even months. A modern car is not built by a single machine or person, but through carefully coordinated systems designed for safety, efficiency, and reliability. The next time you sit in a car, you'll know the complex journey it took to get there.